Hello everyone, and today I'm going to tell you a nice Kipper, Chip and Biff story called The Toys Party. So let's start reading it. Kipper wanted a party. Nobody wanted to come. He got his toys. He wanted a big, yummy cake. He put in cornflakes. He put in tomato sauce. He put in milk. He put in jam. He put in sugar. He put in baked beans. Mum was cross with Kipper. Kipper was sorry. So this was the end of the toys party. So this was the Kipper Chip Biff story for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will bring some more Kipper, Chip and Biff stories on my channel, which is WISDOM SMKA, made in the UK over here. I hope you enjoy watching my videos on my channel WISDOM SMKA. See you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.